Hello everyone, you're watching Self-Hosted Ninja, channel where I describe how to run the software you need, own your data and be independent from tech giants. Today I will explain how to send emails with your self-hosted projects. There are three options to solve this problem. The first is to sign up for a paid SMTP relay. The second is to set up your own email server. The third and the easiest option is to use free email service. SMTP relays are happy to welcome new customers and usually offer free plans for starters. However, they tend to have strict security checks and rules that must be followed before sending any emails through them. Sometimes it can be hard to pass these checks, as I experienced with the Sendinblue service. Despite being a paid customer previously, my account was turned off after a few years of inactivity, and the company is not willing to reactivate it without giving any explanation. Another option to consider is setting up your own mail server. It's not the easiest task and requires understanding of specific terms like spam filters, webmail or postfix. There are self-hosted options that are easier to set up compared to starting from scratch. In future videos, I may cover these options in more detail. I use public email services, mostly Google, for sending emails from my projects. I will also cover setting up alternative services, so you have options to choose from. With Google, you can send about 200 emails per day with free account. Google has implemented some significant changes in the process of sending emails on behalf of your account. Earlier you could use just login and password, but now you have to create specific app password, and that is possible only if you have two-step authentication enabled. After two-step verification enabled, you can set up your app password and check how it works. I created a special web application to help anyone to test their SMTP connection by sending a test email. This application outputs a lot of logs to debug what is wrong. SMTP Checker is available for all patrons of my channel. I appreciate your support, subscriptions and donates. If you are an Apple user, you certainly should have iCloud mail account. It can be used for sending mails as well. iCloud has similar approach for sending emails by your apps. You need to register your application and specific app password will be created just for it. When I tested to send an email, I've got an error in SMTP Checker. But when I looked through the logs, I found out that I put the wrong username. After fixing that, all worked as expected. For Windows users, I have good news too. You can use your Outlook account to send emails from your app. You even don't need any specific configuration. Just use your credentials to send emails. If you want your app to use some separate email account, you can register one at Zoho. Then you can use credentials to send emails with it. Thanks for watching.